How to earn Kohls cash on eligible purchases. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. First of all, let's head over to Kohl's website, and this is the following interface we'll be having. So we can start by making eligible purchases. There are certain ways that we can get Kohls cash, and one of them is making eligible purchases. So look out for purchases, and here we'll be finding this something like get 70% when you are applying for this product. You will be earning 5% rewards and this much 70% Kohls cash. So you can look out for those kind of items and go ahead and purchase those and check out the process, and you will be earning that cash easy. Apart from that, Kohls cash is usually offered during special promotional periods as well. So in Kohls itself, we'll be having different promotions. You can look out for those kind of promotions, such as this one right here, earn 10% Kohls cash. You can look out for the details and see what we need to do in order to earn those, and you can apply it up. You can earn those that way as well. And sometimes we can earn the Kohls cash without doing anything. When you check out during a promotion, your Kohls cash is automatically earned based on the total of the eligible item, and that's it. And the tip we can take to maximize our Kohls cash is we just need to stack up its sales prices and promotion codes and buy eligible items in order to reach the maximum threshold and plan purchases during Kohls cash events to earn more than usual. And that is it. So that's it everybody. For now, you can follow this method. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.